In this lesson, learn some common action words, also called verbs, that we use when talking about technology, computers, phones, and other devices. These verbs describe what we actually do when we use technology. Let's explore them one by one. The word type means to press keys on a keyboard to write words or numbers on a screen. When you type, your fingers move quickly to form sentences or commands. For example, you type a message to a friend or type an email to your teacher. The action of putting words into a computer through a keyboard is called typing. The word click means to press a button on a mouse or a touchpad. When you click, you select, open, or activate something on the screen. For example, you click on a link to open a web page or click on a file to open it. The sound made by the mouse button also helps us remember the word click. The word scroll means to move the content on a screen up or down. You scroll to read more information, see additional pictures, or explore a longer page. You can scroll using a mouse, the arrow keys, or by sliding your finger on a touchscreen. The action helps you move smoothly through digital information. The word swipe means to move your finger across a touchscreen to change what appears on it. You swipe left to see the next photo, or swipe right to go back. People also swipe on phones to open apps, unlock screens, or switch between pages. It is a very common action on smartphones and tablets. The word charge means to supply electrical power to a device, such as a phone, tablet, or laptop. You charge your phone when the battery is low, so it can work again. The action of connecting your device to a power source or charger allows it to store energy for later use. The word connect means to join one device to another or to a network so they can communicate and work together. You connect your laptop to Wi-Fi, connect headphones to a phone, or connect a charger to a power socket. It simply means joining two things so that information or power can pass between them. Now review what you learned. You type to write, click to select, scroll to move through content, swipe to change screens, charge to give power, and connect to join devices or networks. These verbs describe real actions you take every day when you use technology. Practice using these words to talk about what you do with your computer or phone.
If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.